Five little fishes swimming in the sea, splishing and splashing as happy as can be. One swam away to explore the deep. Now there are four playing hide and seek. Four little fishes darting all around, flipping and flopping without a sound. One swam away so wild and free. Now there are three as quick as can be. Three little fishes shining in the blue, playing in the water where dreams come true. One swam away with a flick of its fin. Now there are two still ready to spin. Two little fishes swimming in the sun, having adventures and having so much fun. One swam away to follow a friend. Now there is one near the coral bend. One little fishy feeling all alone, but soon swam away to find a new home. Off it went to join its crew. Now there are no little fishies in view. Now there are no little fishies in view.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content. We appreciate your support.